को मना लेंगे, छोटी पतंगों को थामेंगे, है जज्बा सुलझा।
Hello everyone, welcome to my new dance tutorial. Today I am going to teach you new dance choreography. The song name is Manja. Okay, so let's start. Come on. So first position, you have to keep your legs are open like this. Okay. Then left hand, its rotation from the left side, it's coming like this, and right hand, its rotation from above head. Yeah. Again, 5, 6, and go 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now both hands together. 1 and 2. So when I am doing 2, I am turning towards my left side. Okay. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2. Okay. So after rotation, my right hand is coming down, my left hand is coming up. Okay. Let's do one more time. 1 and 2. Again. 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2. Okay. With this hand steps, you have to do footwork. So footwork, you have to cross your right leg, up your toes up and down. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go up and down. So down, you have to bend your knees like this. Let's try with the hand. 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2. Again. 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2. Next step. Open your right leg on the squat position. Keep your both hands straight. Bend your body little bit towards the right side. Again. 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2. So your both hand is coming on your ear. So like this. 1 and 2. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2. Okay, done. Let's try from the beginning. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 1, 2. And now lift your left toe and drop. So when you're doing lifting your leg, so you have to point your toes. Okay, and the hands are going 1 and 2. See the jazz position, all the fingers are open, not like this, like this. 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2. So it's very simple. Your hands are going up, pull it down, keep it again on your ear. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2. Okay. Let's try one more time. From here. 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 1, 2. Next step. So next step, you have to chop your hands left, chop your hands right. 1 and 2 and. Very simple. Same, you have to do the footwork. Point, drop, point, drop. Yeah, let's do 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4. So after 2, you have to look towards the left side. Yeah. Again. 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try from here. 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 1 and 2 and. Next step. Cross your leg, open, cross, squat. Okay, now when you're doing the cross, your toes are pointing in the front side. It's not like this, it's this. Yeah? Again, 5, 6, 7, go, cross, open. Simple. Okay, now what you have to do with the hands. So your right hand is coming here, left hand is coming here on your tummy. How it is go? 1. Yeah. So you are here. 5, 6, 7, go 1. Your body should be bent little bit back and and use your right hand to push. Yeah, 1. Again, 1, 2. Okay, let's do from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2. Okay, clear? Let's try now all the steps from the beginning. 5, 6, position. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2. Okay, let's do one more time. Now I'm going to do a slow speed. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2. Cool. Okay, let's move on the next step now. So next step, what you have to do, you have to throw your right hand back, keep your left hand here, throw your right hand back. Now the footwork, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now when you're doing 1, your right leg is going on 2. You have to jerk a little bit up like this. 1. Yeah, let's do 5. Let's do with the hands. So we are here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. Again. 1. And cross your right leg. Both hands is like this. Yeah. Look towards the left side. And now your right hand is like this only. This is your left hand. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to pull your left hand like this and look back. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. Now with this pulling, you have to spread your left leg. So you have to spread your left leg and go on squat position. 5. Let's do the direct squat. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. Okay. Let's do again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Last time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. And now take a turn towards your left shoulder. Go down on your knee and then come up on squat position. Let's do again. 5, 6, 7, go. Turn down, squat position. Okay, let's do the repeat. Let's do repeat from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Turn down, squat. Now, when you're doing the turn down, there is no pause. So after you turn, you have to directly go on your knee. Yeah. 5. Let's try. 5, 6. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 1. Squat position. Okay. Let's try little bit fast. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 1. Squat position. Okay. Now we'll do revision from the beginning till here. Okay. Come on. 5, 6. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Down, squat. Okay. This is the first part of this choreography. Let's try one last time. Okay. 5, 6. So position. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1. Squat position. Okay. So here it is the first part of this choreography. Yeah. Let's try on now. Music. Come on.
रूठे ख्वाबों को मना लेंगे, कटी पतंगों को थामेंगे। है जज्बा सुलझा लेंगे उलझे रिश्तों का मांझा, मांझा।